let me use the driving school analogy because everybody understands it. Okay? When people join this business, basically they want to learn how to drive. They want to get from where they are to where they want to be, wherever that may be. And the point is, we join this business to learn how to drive. We don't all want to become a driving instructor just because we want to learn how to drive. However, we're taught from day one that eventually you're going to have to teach other people what to do. Now that to me should be a choice, because just because you want to learn how to build your own business doesn't always mean you want to teach other people how to build theirs. Okay? So, but some of you do, and some of you want to go on to become driving instructors and CEOs and run your own empires and everything else. And I believe that coaching and training is something that needs to be taught. It's not just something that we develop. It's not something we're born with. So, I've created what we call the Network Coach Creator. Okay? And the things that you're going to need in order to be successful at building any network marketing business. This isn't clean easy. This is any network marketing business. One of the things you need is confidence. And confidence comes from competence. Okay? So we need confidence in what we're doing and how we're going to do it. You need direction. You need to know where you're going, why you're doing it, and how you're going to get there. And not only do you need direction as a leader, but you need to be able to give your team direction as well. You know, you need to help them have the vision and see where they're going. You need to know that you're making progress and that what you're doing just isn't going round and round in circles and you're not just paddling with one oar. Okay? Because you need to know that what you're doing, the effort that you're putting in, is actually going somewhere and it's getting you towards your goals and your dreams. You also need that support. Support from around you, support from above you, and support from below you, and give that support as well. Okay? It's not just about doing it for yourself when you want to become a driving instructor. It's about helping other people to succeed and grow. And you need to know your reason why and why you're doing it. So in order to gain that confidence, the first thing we need to look at is creating ourselves, which is down to personal development and becoming a better person. And as you become better as a person and you become better at your career and what you do, the more competent you become, the more confident you become. Okay? The next thing, direction. Direction comes from optimizing your vehicle. Whether that's Clean Easy, whether that's Herbalife FLP or doTERRA or whatever, it doesn't matter. Optimizing your vehicle is about learning to develop your own system inside your own business that you can then teach to your people. But that system has to be built around a genetic skeleton that every network marketing business runs off. And you need to know that skeleton in order to develop your business around it. Progress comes from accountability, quantifying what you do, proving that what you're doing is taking you in the direction you want to go and taking your team in the direction they want to go. And support comes from coaching. Not only being able to coach yourself, but from being coached. Every coach needs a coach, and then they pass those skills on to their pupils and their coachees. And your reason why is your horizon. It's not what's happening this week or next week. It's what is that driving force that gets you out of bed every day. That long-term thing that you think, if only, if that was just possible, if I could achieve that. And these are the things that keep you going along that road in order to get to where you want to be. Well, with the Network Coach Creator, what we will go through is the 6 P's of Horizon, which will help you determine your purpose. Because we have to start with the end in mind. What is it all about? You need to develop your can-I attitude, constant and never-ending improvement. And as you can see there's other things that will be based around that to help you create yourself and develop your skills. We then need to optimize the vehicle, starting with what is your vision for this week, for next month, for next year, for the next 5 years. And also we've got to empower people through events, because it's not only those events, those exposing them to any event, our event, other people's events, I don't care. But by going to events and seeing other people being successful, that is what is going to drive your people forward to take on everything that has to evolve around them and develop around them to help them develop. Okay? The next thing is tracking and accountability. What do you track? How do you track it? Why do you track it? What's it going to do? What's your ratios, your comparisons, and other things in between? You then got to learn how to be coached and how to coach others. And this is what I want to work on as workshops around that I'm going to be putting into place. Okay? And once you've got all that in place, not only will you have been coached, but you will also become a coach, and you'll be able to develop your own business as a leader and take people through to wherever they want to be, no matter what your network marketing business.